So let's see. In the why doesn't it say that? Where did it go?
For the hypothesis test or the
Is it really the same thing?
Confidence interval requirements.
I
Yeah.
have a hypothesis test.
Does it just use either or?
No, it does say p hat. So under 2.2.1 in the book, it says
Yeah.
in p hat and then n times 1 minus p hat.
Okay,
So
so
if you go down to hypothesis, it's just p.
Okay, wow, that is good to know. I never knew that. Thank you. You always said like knowing the random facts that
Yes, I
That's
agree.
all I know. That's all I know.
failing or not failing. So P
You know more than I do.
is what again? P is a hypothesis test? No, I forgot already what you said. What did you say?
P is the hypothesis, yes.
Yeah.
P hat is confidence interval.
Okay. Oh, that I guess that makes sense because it's how close you're going to get to the mean. That's the confidence interval. That's how close you're going to get to the P. Okay, I get it.
Yeah, I don't understand the behind the background, which is why I can't ever pass the test very well.
Confidence.
But I can figure it out.
But you know all these like tricky things. Okay, so then we have to plug that in. So then did you plug that in for the
Yeah, so if you take 100 times 0.25,
N times 0.10?
no, you're going to do 0.25
Oh my gosh, I'm really confused.
because P
No,
is
I'm still
0.25.
doing 4. I'm still doing
Oh,
4.
you are? Sorry.
Yeah, did you already, is 4 work, 100?
Yes, 4 is true because 100 times 0.10 is 10, so it's equal to,
And
and
then,
100 blah 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 is 90.
okay, and that's it. Okay, great, okay. So yeah, they both work then, right?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, phew, okay, I'm back.
Good job, guys.
Thank you.
I feel like I should mail you like some cookies or something.
Oh gosh.
What, Relief Society president?
I know.
Okay. A study of first-degree murder trials was conducted in another state. A random sample of 60 people on trial for first-degree murder was taken. Of these, 45 of the defendants were found guilty. Okay, P hat is 45 divided by 60, right?
Right. Yeah. Which is 0.75.
Yes.
Yes.
Who is awake? Why are you awake?
I was like, I'm awake.
All right, 95% confidence interval. So here's where we have to.
Oh, this is
Can
where
we use the
we
form?
do the formula. This is the Z formula. No,
Yeah.
yeah, the margin of error formula. The Z times the plus the big one.
The Z plus or minus, all that stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, the P hat plus or minus, yeah. So Jill, the formula is P hat plus or minus
Okay.
Z times.
And is Z still like when we are doing 95%?
Yeah, Z
is that
yeah.
still like whatever it was back a few
Yeah,
lessons
so
ago?
it's 1.96 because it's 95%. Yeah, it's just that same. And then P, the square root of this whole entire problem, P hat
Okay.
times 1 minus P hat over sample size.
Okay.
So, okay. So now, P
Can we
hat,
put this into Excel or do we have to fill this out on our own?
This is a hand one, I think.
the hand one, and then Z for 95 is 1.96.
Nice.
I mean, I saw him do it on Excel in the movie, but I didn't learn how to do it in SPSS. And so, I don't know. Yeah.
So we're doing 1.96 times the square root of 0.75 times 1.
25 over, what is the sample size? 60? Is that right?
Yeah.
60. So,
Equals. Did you get?
I didn't get anything yet, I swear to you. Okay. I'm very slow with the calculator. Give me like 27 minutes. And the square root of 0.1875 divided by 60 equals 0.05902. That times 1.96 equals So my margin of error, I got to be 0.1096. So then 0.75 plus and minus this.
Right. So
Yeah.
did you,
Did you guys
can we
get
round
what
up?
for your margin of error? Did you get 0.1096 or something?
Yeah, so 0.11?
Yeah.
Or 110, I guess, if it really matters.
Yeah.
Are you rounding it up though before you figure out the rest?
No, I'm not, because we're not supposed to round. Remember, Jill, we discussed this last time, didn't we?
Yeah.
It didn't make a difference, and sometimes it did. I'm just going to go point. Oh, right. That's going to make a difference, huh?
You know what, though? It still rounds the same.
Does it?
Yeah.
So we're gonna do 0.110, right? For
That
7.
rounds it. Yeah. If you do 0.1096, you're going to get 0.859, which rounds to 0.86. If you do 110, it just gives you a 0.86. So
Oh, okay. So it's the same.
yeah, at least on the plus. I assume the minus isn't that far off. 0.75 minus 0.106 equals. Yeah, it's the same on both. Okay. Wait, so what, oh, so the margin of error was the 0.1110, right?
So, what'd you get for 8?
0.64?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I got. And I didn't round, and I still got that, so it's got to be right.
Yeah. And then 0.86 for 9, right?
Yeah.
Point.
Charlie,
Well,
how comes there's 2 of you?
I don't know. That's a great question.
That's weird. Oh, there, it went back
Yeah,
to normal.
that's
My
weird.
computer just zotzed me out of Google, and so then I got back on.
Huh?
0.860. Was that it? Right? For 9?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Is there still a couple of me?
Nope.
no.
My uncle was working on my computer, and so if it goes wacko, I'll be like,
He is to blame.
what? You're helping me for free? I'm going to get mad at you. Right?
Yep.
If you increase the
I
sample
need someone like that.
60 to 80, what do you expect to happen to the width? Okay, here we go. I wrote this down. If the sample size goes up, the width of the confidence interval decreases.
Yes.
Boom. Boom, bada boom.
Yep.
Teeter totter.
Oh, that's a good way to think of it.
A what? What did you say?
A teeter totter. To think of it like a teeter totter.
Like bat gets on the end? I don't get it. What are you saying?
Like
Isn't that
if
what
it's
you said,
teeter-totter-
Jackie? Was it's like a teeter totter?
Yeah, if a teeter totter, if you go on a teeter totter, if one person is in the air, the other person's on the ground. If one person goes up, the other goes down.
Yeah.
Oh, I get it. Does everybody fall off and expand? I get it. Okay. You can
Was
def-
number 7.110? Sorry. The margin of error was 0.110, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. I just want to make sure. Okay.
Yeah.
11. To conduct
Okay.
a hypothesis test for one proportion, 2 requirements must be met. P equals a half. Oh, here we go.
This is the same thing we were doing.
This one.
Same thing. Except for it's 20. But just to be sure, let's just do the whole problem like it said. So,
How do you know it's 20?
Also, I think.
because I'm guessing.
Oh.
1/2. I'm not sure if it's, yeah. What is the smallest number n can be? It's greater than 10. So then 10 times 2, which will be 20. And then 1 minus, so this is 1/2. So then 10 times 2, 20. No, 2 over 1. Which is, okay, yeah, okay. Wow, that was weird. Okay, it's 20, right? What you guys got?
So I got the first one is 20. So then the second formula is the n
Second
times 1 minus
1 minus p, and so 1 minus p, so that
One
would
over
still
2.
be 1/2. So that's still n times 1/2. So then you flip it for the other side. Okay, Jill, this one was not taught in the book. This one was I had to ask the professor kind of question.
Oh, okay.
So for these ones, so you put them into that, NP is greater than 10.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then you have to flip it. So then you have to make n by itself.
Okay.
So if it's a fraction, you got to flip it to put it to the other side.
Okay.
So like 1/2 times n, to make n alone, you have to go 10 times 2 over 1. And then
Okay.
for the other one, 1 minus p is again 1/2. So then you have to flip it. So those ones are both 10 times 2. And so you would take your largest and that would be your smallest because they both have to work, if that makes sense. So just because there's like questions in the homework about that and there's questions on the quizzes about that. So
Oh, okay.
So, but if you take 1 minus p, which is 1 minus 1/2, you said that it's still 1/2?
well, yeah.
Oh,
1
duh.
minus-
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay. So 20.
That's 20. Yeah.
Oh, we got to do it again on the next one. Okay.
Okay. It's 100.
Equals 1 out of 10. It's 100?
I'm just guessing. I'm just like had this theory in my head, but I just have to test it every time. So. And then, and times
Someone's popular
9.
tonight.
1 minus 1/10 is 9/10, right? N times 9/10 is greater than. So then 10 times 2. No, why do I say 10? 10 times 10. Or 10 times 9/10.
So 10 times 9/10 is what you would have to do?
Yeah, because I flipped it. Did you see that? Oh, 10 nines. Sorry about that. Thanks. 10 nines. 10 times 10 over 9 equals 11. And then 10 times 10 is 100. So it's 100. Yep, that's it. Does that make sense? That worked for you? Did that work for you, Jill and Jackie? Did you guys get that? That took me
No,
forever.
I'm lost, but that's okay. I like I said, I haven't even read the.
You'll get it like once you have to the problem. You'll be like, oh, you just put it on the other side, flip the fraction, and solve for it.
Yeah, I understand the whole flipping and stuff.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
just don't understand like why we're doing it. So
Yeah,
But
I'm
I
gonna go through and read what she told you.
did
Yeah.
she do that on the chat or
Yeah.
on the?
Yeah, because
Okay.
she texted me about it too, but then she said that she was going to respond to me.
Oh, good.
Could you forward the text to all of us?
Oh, the
Like,
text just says, yes, you solved it correctly, but I'll also answer you on the discussion. That's all.
Oh, okay.
Okay. We go on there.
Okay.
All right. So what was 12?
100.
100. Okay.
Okay. For the water quality study in the reading, about 60% of the microinvertebrate water quality indicators have, why don't they just use little words?
I know.
I'm already confused.
Researchers suspect that water quality in the area has decreased.
It's decreased. Okay, so, they already wrote it down. They conduct a hypothesis test. Oh, yay, we just get to use that thing. Oh, the conditions for conducting a hypothesis test are satisfied. Oh, we have to put this into the thing.
Yeah, so X is 38, N is 80.
Wait a second.
Okay, wait. So when we put this
For
in the
hypothesis test that you said we could do P. Do we have to find the P? Do we have to find the P hat still? I mean, yeah, we could find the P hat, but
But we just need the P for this one.
then the P is 0.6. So do we just go 0.6 times
Times N.
N times 80, right? Is that right? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
So where do we put this stuff in? Like, oh, where it says inputs? Is that what you guys are doing?
No, we have to do the requirement stuff
Right
first.
requirement, yeah.
Okay.
0.6 times.
N times P is greater than or equal to 10, or N times
Oh,
1
okay.
minus P.
Yeah,
That one.
that one.
Yeah.
So yes, that one worked. And then 1 minus 0.6, of course it's 0.4, but I had to do it with that. 0.4 times 80 equals 32. So yes, they both work.
Yeah, they're both fine. Then we got to find P hat. So that's the
And P
that
hat
point.
X divided by N.
X divided by N, yeah.
So 0.475.
Yes.
Yeah.
0.475.
Yeah.
That's what I
And the
got.
test statistic, this is where we put it all into the thing. Okay. So then up here. So it's 95, yes. The null hypothesis is 0.6. Okay, and then the X is 38. The N is 80, is that right? Is that right?
Yeah, and 80.
And we are
You put in a confidence level.
looking for a less than.
0.95, right?
0.95, yeah.
Oh yeah, okay.
The type of test,
Null hypothesis is 0.6.
yep, The type of test is less than.
Okay. Less than
Hey guys, what'd you get for X?
38. It's
Because they just,
in the formula up at the top.
I know, I can't. Oh, right there in front of my face. Okay. Sorry.
it's okay, you've been on the phone all day. You're good.
I really am. It's so bad.
You just have to.
You hear my computer keep dinging? It's all Relief Society texts.
Yeah, my husband talks to his presidency once a week.
Yeah, the Relief Society is so different than the Elders Quorum, though. When my husband was in the Elders Quorum, it was busy, but it wasn't Relief Society.
Yeah,
Relief
most of my husband's stuff is can you go shovel this old lady's porch?
Yeah. Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Relief Society, you're taking care of the families and the mothers and the
Yeah.
children and their husbands and then the poor people and then.
I know. I'm oh, deep breath. Okay. Anyway.
You can do it. You're doing great. Yeah.
So
Okay.
is the Z test, is it negative 10.206? Is that what you guys got?
The test statistic, I got negative 2.282.
Okay, I didn't
Where
put
is
something in.
that?
Are you getting that from the Excel spreadsheet?
Yeah. So I'm,
is
yeah,
it?
it says categorical data, underscore hat, underscore SPSS, right? The X is 38, the N is 80, confidence level is 0.95, the null hypothesis is 0.60, and the type of test is less than.
So I have all that in. I just can't find where that number is.
What was the null again?
And you go, should I screen share to see if you guys are
Yeah.
looking at my
Oh, yeah. Do that.
that way
You're
we
looking at.
can see? Is it the green? Yeah.
Yeah.
Share. Okay. This. You guys have this?
Yeah.
38,
Yeah.
80, 0.95, 0.60, less than, and then my Z is negative 2.282. My P.
Mine's negative 9. Wait, let me see what you have.
Yeah, I got that.
Maybe-
I think I messed with my data and it didn't. So I
I
just
think I did too.
Oh,
I
wait.
canceled out and then opened it back up again and it came back fine.
Oh my gosh, mine's negative 9. What?
That's what mine was too.
So what'd you do?
Now I'm gonna exit out and redo it.
That's good.
Okay.
And don't save anything and then reopen it so that it's all back to normal. I messed with other stuff that probably shouldn't have been touched. I guess
think
you're
I-
only supposed to do the blue squares.
The only step is you touch this. Nothing else. You don't do anything
Don't
else.
touch anything else.
Yeah.
Oh shoot, where did we get that from?
And so then see right here, they do the test for you. Right here. So then you know that it's already done and everything. So I guess we could have just put it in to see if everything worked. Oh, and look, they probably use the P for this and the P hat for this. Oh, I never thought about that.
Yep. because then the p-value is the 0.011,
Oh, look,
right?
and here it is 0.475. Look, they just gave us all the answers. We didn't even have to think. Dang it.
Wait, what? Okay.
Wait, I don't
Oh,
have to
you're
think.
right.
You
We
see
could've
this?
put
They
it
gave
all
you
in at the beginning.
0.475. They gave that right there. They gave us everything. They told us that it's both going to work. It told us this. It told us everything. Does that make sense? I'm going to go back to my test now, so I'm going to unscreen share. But does that make sense?
Wait, 95. Yeah.
So at the beginning of this question, this section of questions, we could have thrown it in here and gotten all the answers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now we know
Negative
though.
2.282, right?
Yep.
That's it. Okay. And then do we find the probability? Yes. No. P-value. Yeah. So we just found the probability. Or does it just give it to us?
So our
Yeah.
p-value is 0.011.
Sweet. We don't have to use the applet. That's awesome. Okay.
Yeah. So then we're going to reject the null because it's low, right?
Yeah.
Mhm.
And then
Mm-hmm.
So there is sufficient evidence to conclude.
And yeah, what are we trying to say? What is the thing? That the research that the water quality in the area has decreased.
Yeah.
So is there something about that at the bottom?
Yes, the third one.
Oh,
Oh, no, no, no.
no, the fourth one.
The fourth one.
Yeah.
okay. Somebody submit it, because what if I got something wrong?
I'll submit.
I'm submitting too.
Oh, you are. Okay.
So am I.
Oh wait.
Might as
Well,
well.
then I won't. I don't. We don't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Two, one.
I got one wrong. Where is it?
I got 100%.
You did? The heck?
Yeah, which one did you get wrong?
I don't know. I'm trying to find it.
What did we
Oh,
get for
no, I
number
didn't.
8?
I didn't get one wrong. Sorry. I was thinking there was 20. I just saw 19 and I assumed. No, we're good.
Oh. Mhm.
Okay.
Jackie,
So
what
do
What
you
did
want
we
the
get
answer?
for number 8? I just want to check on that one.
8.
Yeah.
0.64.
0.64.
Okay. No, or a 0 after, right?
No,
It just says round to 3. So
I think
Yeah,
you
yeah.
can put a 0, but I don't think it
Put a
matters.
0 on there. I probably put it, and then they probably just got rid of it. Because
Okay.
sometimes I notice if I like put in 0.000, then it will show up that my answer was 0 or something like that.
yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Did you guys talk about our experiment or whatever yet?
Not yet.
Oh, goodness. Okay.
Should we talk about it now, or should we just go to bed and talk about it again later?
I don't care.
We have to-
I haven't even read. What does the direction say? I haven't even looked at it.
We do have to have it submitted by this weekend, though,
Saturday.
for
Oh,
approval.
you can say tonight. I was like, oh no. Okay.
No, not by tonight. Let's see.
Okay, let's just talk about it. Let's just get it done with. Okay,
Let's
design.
just look at it really quick.
So we have to
Find
have
it
that
really-
whole thing submitted by this weekend.
Yeah.
So there's no homework next week, right?
No, it's
Okay.
the week after. We do have homework next week.
Oh wait, really? They actually give us a week to work on this? That would be great if they did.
Is next week our
No,
test?
next week we have lesson 19 and lesson 20. And then the week after that, we have the exam and then nothing else.
Okay.
And then is that just like we get to work on finishing up this thing or something?
I guess. She called
Yes.
it a mini break, but
A mini break.
I don't really think that's okay. So we need to put all of our names in there. I
So
guess
who-
we need to
Do
assign.
we all submit it or just one of us? How does that work?
So
Okay.
one person. One person does each part. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, step 7.
But I don't know if we all have to submit the overview, like the
One
No,
person
only one person
being
does.
writer for designing the study. One person submits the collected data. One person submits the described data. One person submits. Right? Yeah. Okay. So designing the study. So who wants to type that one?
Can I get a PowerPoint?
Yes.
Go ahead.
I love doing PowerPoint.
It's all yours.
All right. I'll
I
do the design the study because I have a lot of time tomorrow, actually. I'm actually ahead in my other classes, except for my
Okay.
I'm not. But did you want to do it? You can do it.
No. I have to be at a mental health class
Oh, that sounds really fun.
all day tomorrow. Me and my bishop.
Oh, is it for your calling?
Yes. 8 to 5. Ugh.
Writer for describe the data. I'll do describe the data, I guess. Although I might need help with it because I don't really know.
Where are you guys at? Where are you?
So I'm
looking-
going to enable editing and I'll write names in here.
It's a form that you had to upload.
Well, I know. Where is it? Like, so I go in, if I go into design the study directions right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
And
then
And
there should be a well, did you go to, if you go to lesson 16 at the very bottom, it says design the study directions. You went
Yeah.
there?
Yeah. And then
And
I'm
then
in it and I click design the study.
then,
Oh, never mind. Okay. Got it. Sorry.
and then, so who is going to describe the data? What, I don't even know what the other words mean.
I don't either. I'll do the data.
It's
'cause
all
I
going to
think
be
that just
okay. Christy, is
inferences. I don't know.
that like the math
What does that
part?
mean?
Is that the math part?
Writer for make inference.
I don't know. We'll just write something. I mean, we're all going to work together on each
Yeah.
one.
Yeah. You put me in wherever. I probably
It really
help.
matters. So make inference, right? Main writer for, there's only 4 of us. So can we
Well,
just, let's just say we're not going to do one part since there's only like 4 of us, right? Just joking.
Yeah. You can
So
put
make
me-
inference and
put me
take
on that.
action.
We can put me.
The make inference and take action is all one document.
Okay. I can do
So
that.
if you put 2 people on that one. So it says,
So Jill is on set. You know what? I'm going to screen share my thing since I'm the writer person again.
Okay. So I don't need to be filling this thing out.
No, this is just me.
No.
Okay.
okay.
You just need to-
I'm pretty sure so.
The person making the inference and taking action it's kind of a big project.
Oh, maybe you.
That's where you have to like title it. You've got to have the research question, the hypothesis, 1 to 2 paragraphs discussing whether or not your data meets or fails your hypothesis test, statement of your
Oh,
null
Jill
and
sounds
alternative,
Why
alpha
don't we
level.
Or maybe 2 of us should work on that together.
Yeah.
Or we could all just go through the data together and
Together and do it.
Yeah.
That's the thing is, I bet we'll just be together for every single one of these. You know, we're just
Yeah.
like going to round it up. It's not like we're going to be like, okay, have fun doing that all by yourself.
Right.
You know,
Hey,
we're going
Right.
to talk like this.
In the instructions, it says that there's the person that you put as the main writer. They're the one that's in charge of submitting it, but
Mhm.
that you're supposed to like give jobs to
Work
each person.
So it'll just be that person will just be screen sharing that day or something, right? That's all it will be. So, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's
so
not like
then-
you're responsible for all of it. We're all supposed to work together.
Right. Okay.
I have a really frustrating partner in another class who doesn't ever get back to me, and I'm about to get a bad grade because she's not responding to me. And I'm
That-
like, I'll just be like my math group.
That was my problem with my program planning class. Like
Yeah.
my team, my partner, whatever, he didn't want to do anything.
Yeah.
that was
Okay,
my
so-
fear with
So
this.
let's not create a new one. Let's just use one of these so we don't have to think about it. I mean, is that allowed? Can we just use
Let's do it.
let's just do the paper towels. Is that okay?
Okay. Yep.
I'm just gonna
So do we have to do the testing ourselves or do we have other people do it or
that's what I don't know, and I'm just guessing that. Paper towels is pretty easier. So let's see, state your research question. Make it in plain English. Something like we are trying to determine if the average food buy. Okay, so 2 brands of paper towels.
Yeah.
So
Bounty.
Let's get a Bounty and then like a store brand or something.
Yeah.
um,
Scott, because we want to do something that's normal, like everyone can get.
Bounty paper towels. And should we just say there is no difference between Bounty paper towels and Walmart paper towels? Because then if
Yeah.
there is, should we just say that?
Yeah.
sounds good?
There is.
I
No.
think there's a difference.
I do too.
No, but, I mean, then it will be awesome because then we found a difference and then it'll be easier. And what if there's not? Then we'll be amazed.
And we'll be like, we didn't think there was.
Yeah, there is no.
Yeah. Oh, I'm broadcasting it. I gotta stop.
Oh.